Hey guys, Jukebox Penguin here, and today I'll be showing you guys my Lego vehicle transport truck that I built, or VTT. I built this over a period of 3 or 4 weeks over the summer, when I had free time, and I'm going to open this truck up and show you what's inside of it. Let's do the bottom first. Down here there's 2 trucks. There's a kind of like a Rover truck, and then I have like a drone or airplane. There was supposed to be a box in there, but I think one of my siblings took it again, which is kind of annoying. So up at the top, this bridge is so fragile. I think it's more there for decoration. So we have this ATV. I didn't know there's still a guy in here though. And we have this, what did I call this? I had like a special name for this. Oh, the mobile transmission unit. That's what it was called. Okay then. I have a head and a guy in there. And a smaller drone. There we go. What are you doing, camera? Stop. Oh. I dislike autofocus sometimes. I broke it. Crap. I broke it. Well, on the sides there are there's 2 trucks. Let's see. So this one is just a normal truck. It did have a bigger part on it that went up and over. I don't know where that went. It's around here somewhere. And then this one has like a giant cannon on it. I think I like this one a lot. It's more of a car than a truck right now though. That one is. Yeah, some of you may be able to see that white thing in the corner of the screen. That is a trailer. And underneath the truck, let's back it up, I have this hitch. The mobile transmission unit, the truck inside the top, has a hitch for this too. But when this whole thing's in motion, I can just pull this around. Except that falls off sometimes. Whole hitch fell off. What about the front of it? These are like the motor, the engines. This did have a bunch more pieces. They went out to like here. And it was a spotlight. And this truck is pretty heavy. I don't know how many pieces there are, but there's at least 100. At least, maybe 200. So yeah, that's my Lego truck that I built over the summer. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you guys did enjoy, please like and subscribe. Bye.